Hey, hope you all had a good weekend. Let's take a look at our warm up to jump in. This I'm hoping is really review stuff, and even after our test we did on Friday, you should have seen a little bit of this if you were here. Um, but we're trying to get these variables by themselves, so we should be minusing or doing the opposite on both sides. So that's what I want to see, and then we're doing a step. So I put a squiggly line, I put a step right, and then we get x by itself, we get the equal sign, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So if you took a problem like this or like that one and you just tell me like n equals 6, I can't give you credit on what it is that we're looking for. We're really looking for these steps. So this is a one-step equation is what we call it. What we're going to learn in this unit is two-step, multi-step equations. So I really need to see the process. Like the error here, if you told me n equals 6, like how did n get on the left side of the equal sign when it was on the right side to start with? So keep everything balanced, keep everything consistent, and you'll get 6 equals n. Here, this is 3 times w. When a number is right next to a variable, it's multiply. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So I put a fraction bar to divide it out. So we get w equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. So hopefully you see, what is 3 divided by 3? If you're wondering why did those 3's cancel out, kind of like these 3's cancel out, that's kind of easy to see. They're opposites, right? Why do these cancel out? Well, 3 divided by 3, if I gave you the fraction and said, what is this equal? You tell me 1. So how many w's did I write? 1 w. Okay? So that's how we're able to get to here. And that's the same kind of concept here. We have m divided by 3. This is one that the step looks a little bit different than these others where you're writing right below it. I tend to write to the side of it. Okay, I'm still doing the same thing to both sides of the equation. I'm multiplying by 3. So that's still going to keep my equation balanced. All right, so what I end up getting is m by itself, and 10 times 3 is 30. Well, how did I get those to cancel each other out? I have a 3 on the top, and then we have a 3 that's on the bottom. So it's like a big, gigantic 1m. Okay, that's how we get those m's to come together and become a 1. All right, if you don't believe any of the answers, you take them and you plug it in, right? All right, so that's those. And I'll show you, please watch the next video so I can show you why we need to see those steps.